Hello everyone. In this video, I want to share with you my 3 main self-serving reasons for being a vegan activist. Number 1, it helps with my confidence. I feel a sense of pride in myself for taking responsibility for something I care so deeply about. And I feel like life has a little bit more meaning and purpose fighting for the animals, a cause way bigger than just my own personal wants and needs. Number 2, a sense of belonging. It feels so great to be a part of a group and to be a part of a group working together for animal liberation. And I feel so much more supported and so much less alone when I'm with my activists. And number 3, connection. It's been an honor to make friends and get to know activists from so many different walks of life from all over the world. And we all share the same values and common interests and goals. It's often hard for us to even be around or relate to other people who are thinking about and talking about other things that are significantly less relevant than the millions and millions of animals being tortured and killed every single day. So it's so affirming to be around activists in a group. So please, if you're vegan and you're not active or you're a little bit active, I encourage you, get out there and be active. Take a stand against animal abuse and this grave injustice. A couple resources. Number 1, Connect for Animals. That's a platform and an app where you can find groups and events and like-minded people all connecting around their fight for animal liberation. Number 2, Animal Activism Mentorship. That is an amazing organization that is sole mission is to inspire and ignite activists to work together to be active for animal liberation. Thank you so much for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next video.